Georgina, and we're doing the bird feeder. And we need a paper roll, and we need peanut butter, and we need a string, and we need bird food, and we need a
stick,
and we need a spoon and a plate, and we need a scissors and a pincher, and let's start. For to cut the scissors, we have to act adults. So we need to cut this. So my mom helped me cut the string, so we have to tie it. So my mom helped me tie the string, and now we're going to do the peanut butter. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh. So we have to put the others. My mom helped this one, so I'm going to put this. So you have to roll this. Oh my god, this is so cool! Woo! After you put the bird food, you have to tie. So we done it this, so I'm going to put this outside. Come with me. So I'm going to ask my mom to put this bird feeder up here, and we're going to wait the birds come. So we're going to wait the birds come here, but I want to say bark and the birds come.